I mean, Apple. Oh shit, I forgot. There's some crazy going on right now, huh? I left y'all on a cliffhanger. That joint juicy. Oh, lock in.
You deaf or what?
No. Oh.
Are you gonna open that fucking register or not?
I'm not gonna mess it up this time. Peep.
You do not have the right to steal that money from me. I have worked very hard to earn it.
My fault from chewing.
You cannot have it.
What did you say? You're out of your fucking mind, man.
Oh!
Hey, you! Come here! I said come here now!
Let's do it slow.
Don't move!
I remember
Hands
that
up.
exact thing.
Put your fucking hands up or I'll shoot! Are you deaf? I said put your hands up! I'm warning you, I'll shoot!
I'm putting them up. Let's talk to him.
Look, it's not worth it.
At all.
Put the gun down and just walk away.
You giving me advice?
Yeah.
I'll give you some fucking advice.
What's your name?
My name's Scott. What about you? What's your name?
Andrew. My name's Andrew.
Don't panic. Let's just stay calm. Nobody here wants to hurt you. We're all just gonna be cool, and everything will be all right.
Yeah. I'm cool, man. Everything's gonna be all fucking right.
Yeah.
Effective. Let's do it.
Do you have anyone you care for in your life? A girlfriend?
Now what if I just let my hands down?
Family?
Yeah. A little girl. I got a little girl.
Yeah.
Her name is Jessica.
That's probably what you're doing this for.
What would Jessica think if she saw you here?
Oh, you gotta get a little closer on him.
What would happen to her if things go wrong?
Nothing serious.
You haven't done anything serious yet. If you put the gun away, we'll forget about what just happened, and that will be the end of it. Just walk away.
I ain't gonna tell
Nothing
nobody.
serious. Shit, man. What the fuck do you think I'm doing here?
Well, I don't know, man. Help.
You don't really want to shoot anybody, do you? I'm sure we can find a way out of this mess, right?
Yeah. We on there.
Nice try.
Ah!
For a second there, you almost had me believing all your shit.
So what's the word?
And now, give me the money. I'm gonna count to 3.
Nigga, give me that shit. Give me that. Give me that. Oh, no. Oh. Damn. Ah. Get up. You ain't feel that. I fat fingered the wrong finger. They can't make me hit W. It's right close. Oh, he don't even know what he did. Oh, he ain't get no money. Yo, come back, bro.
Move, sir. I'll call for an ambulance.
It's all good. I eat those.
All right. Bullet just grazed my shoulder. Goddamn punk kid. Doesn't even know how to use a gun.
Stupid.
Thank you for helping me. I don't know what would have happened without you.
Honestly, I damn near made it worse. I ain't gonna lie.
When my boy, Razor,
I was clicking that shit off.
I received a letter with a locker ticket inside. Inside the locker, I found this box.
You gonna give me some money?
I do not understand what it means, but I think it must be a sort of message from the man who took my son.
So you could have helped all them children and you said nah. I remember last time he wasn't giving up no information.
Please, take the box if it can be of any use to you at all. It did not help me to save Reza, but maybe it will help you find the other little boy.
What size he wear? New kicks? Say nah.
Mr. Shelby.
Yo.
I was beginning to think that there was no good to be found in this place. I can see now that I was wrong.
Appreciate it. But it took me almost dying for you to, you feel me? I mean, I guess. Okay. I made it out. Y'all thought I was gonna die. No, even if that bullet were to pierce that shoulder, I ain't going down from that, right? Just saying. I know I could tell he wasn't like that in the face. I don't know, man. Yeah, I got a little girl. Like, over here twitching it. Yo, he ain't like that. Oh, hold on. Scared me. When's the last time y'all woke up on some cold sweats? Ain't nothing just waking up in your bed just wet and you hot and cold at the same time. That way. Oh, I'm gonna be late. What's on the TV? Ain't none. Let's go. She go pee pee. Who is this? A new character? Have I played as her? Or is this Laura? I don't know why I just guessed her name was Laura. Y'all walk around barefoot? Can't do it. Like, at all. Like, unless I got carpet. Something about it, like, you hear the sound effect off her feet just hitting the floor, bro. Each step, a crumb is getting stuck to the bottom of your foot, and you feel it too. And when you pull your joint up and look at it, it's just like, oh, you know. Like, at least some house shoes. Actually, no, I don't. When I get a crib, no shoes in my house. At all. I don't want your cheap, yo, Hemp 06. Wash out, bro. I ain't no scumbag, bro. Do this the right way, the long way, the strong way. You just asking for some cheap viewers. I ain't going. I'm trying to buy my shit, my stuff. Stop cursing. Let's get dressed. Put it on. Can I go to the bathroom or something?
If I try to stay busy, it might actually help me get to sleep.
Okay.
2:47 a.m. Always the same time.
Insomnia?
Goddamn insomnia. I'm totally exhausted, but I just can't sleep.
So what are we gonna do, bro? Skin look good. What's that? Okay. We doing yoga? Why'd they make me do that? Get up, bro. She over here just popping animations off. Pills?
I shouldn't take those damn pills again.
Why not? Let's do it. You gonna do coffee? Why? If we trying to go to sleep, we gonna do... Okay. I guess. That shit don't make no sense. Let's go take a shower.
A hot drink is what I need. A hot shower.
Oh, drink that.
That'll create the magic of sleep.
No, chug this joint real quick. Pass out. Whoa. Let's go. I guess we go to the shower then. Go to bed.
Maybe I'll go to bed and give the sleep thing one more shot.
Told you. Oh, I actually have a bed though. That's a couch. What's she doing on the couch then? Where am I at? This looks like one of them studios you see like them art niggas be having. They be having like them art studios. Concrete floors and all that. Good night. Shawty, lay back. No covers? Oh yeah, she freaked out, bro. No wonder you can't sleep. You just straight up raw dog in a... You can't straight up raw dog a dream. You gotta cover it up a little bit. So they're gonna make me toss and turn? She not even trying. She didn't even close her eyes once. Yeah, alright. That sleep shit ain't gonna work. What's on the computer? Oh. Who that is? Was it my room? Oh. The studio, yo, your house is not that big. You can see every wall and every corner. Where's it coming from, bro? And put some clothes on too. Like, you want, I mean, you don't got to. I'm about to go check the door. Whatever you want to do, gang. Ooh, get snatched. Oh, it's a bathroom. I thought it was the front door. Nah, I ain't gonna make her go pee pee, go poo poo. I don't see that. Splash yourself. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Is she rich? What kind of... She got a middle standing island with 4... And I think she getting that money, yo. What y'all think? Look at her. She mocking y'all niggas. This is what it's called. Look. She looks maxing. You know what I'm saying? So whatever they be y'all be doing. Pop a perk. Ah. Now what? Cool little shower. Okay, don't show me too much, bro. I'm streaming, guy. Let me take it back. By this apple, though. On some ASMR shit. What that sound like? Turn it off. The fuck? So you saw something and I saw something. Literally. Front door. I don't care if I'm butt naked. Front door. You ain't catching me, bro. So I know you're just gonna try to take my... You feel me? You saw something moving. You saw which direction they in. They in your room. So why are we... Yo. Survival instincts on 0. I mean, I guess. Because we all know we didn't leave that... Yo. Oh! You see it! He's in your room. Literally. Oh, yeah, got you. This Splinter Cell ass.
Here. There's someone in the apartment. The phone on the desk. I could call for help. The front door. It's the only way out. If I can reach it, I still have a chance.
I'm locked in. Front door. Front door. Ah! So, when y'all go to the front door, do y'all just like slam into it? Like, ah! Is that what y'all do? Because I personally use the handle. This is stupid. Yo. Another one? I knew there was 2. How do you not see there's 2 people in this small apartment like that? Oh, damn! I can't see that. What is that? I didn't know what letter that was. Get off me. You knew that shit hurt. Get off. Ah. Get off. Huh. Stupid. Ah. On it. Oh! I swear I did it though. There's 3? How did you not see 3? Come here. S! What is S? Oh, that's back. Oh, they fucking me up. Ah, get off me. Ah, Mike Tyson, your shit. W toes. My fault. Ah. Get off me. DS. Get off me. How hard is it to EQ? Huh. Get off. Get to that TV. Change the channel. Whatever you want to do. What the fuck did that do? What happened to the other two niggas? Yo, I am 1v3 in. How am I? Damn. Get off me. Ah! Ah! Give me them nuts. Ah! Get off me. Through that door. Oh my goodness. So, one of them was just waiting in the bed. What is happening? So none of that was real. I just made me a hot cup of Joe and damn near took a shower and watched myself go pee pee and poo poo all in a dream. You mean to tell me I'm still full with bladder? I gotta empty this motherfucker again? I know she got the bubble guts too. I know we wake up and you had a bad dream, you get a little nervous and everything, your stomach start get the rumbling and everything. You know? Straight to that bathroom. Back to my depressed life. Yo, give me back to the lady character. He be so sad all the time. And oh yeah, I lost my boy. Sean. How you lose 2 kids?
When the parents came home from church, all their children were gone. They searched and called for them. They cried and begged, but it was all to no avail.
Wow.
The children have never been seen again.
Wow. That was my letter? Why they send that to me? You know how bad you gotta feel to lose 2 whole children on your watch? Especially like as a man, like you can't even protect your, you know?
I have to get out of here and find out what this ticket is about.
Let's get out of here then. What? Can I just hop the fence? Or I gotta go down and out? Let's see. But you know what we gotta do first? Sure, I ain't got the hoop for nothing. Come on, now. Oh, I can't hoop. Wow. And I know it's not because of the rain, because last time it was raining too. It's always raining. We were still hooping with little Sean. I can't imagine what the mom going through either. I mean, she probably hate this man. How you lose both of your kids? Still dumbfounded. Let me in there. Oh. Excuse me. I know y'all heard that shit. Maybe y'all didn't. I don't know. I knew you heard that stuff. All destinations. He having a hot flash? Oh, he getting that schizophrenia again. He about to start teleporting.
Gonna have to make it through the crowd.
You see?
I can't take crowds. Just can't handle it.
Oh, he got PTSD. I mean, walking in slow motion ain't gonna help. He doing a slow mo challenge?
I can't make it. Too many people. Too many people.
Yo, get it together, bro. Them panic attacks are real, bro. Oh my gosh. He got PTSD from losing Jason and Sean in the crowd, so now he can't handle it no more. Oh, he got superpowers. Whoa! Oh, what the?
Dad.
Oh, he got the Midas touch. Pappy?
Dad.
Oh yeah.
Dad, where are you?
Watch out for that car, little nigga. Jason.
Jason!
Where'd he go? Oh my god. Watch it.
Dad.
Matter of fact, let me go over here. Nah. Let me go right here. Watch out, y'all. Yeah. Watch out. I'm sleeping these niggas. Yeah. What's good?
Dad.
Yo. Alright, stop yelling my name.
Jason!
Jason. You at, little dog? You downstairs?
Dad.
Terrible fit. Oh. What's up, little dude?
Jason!
Oh yeah, he's Ghost of Christmas Past. What's going on? Ooh, W pose. What you got on your phone? You ain't calling nobody important.
Dad.
You did a JoJo pose. I'm going downstairs.
Jason!
I can't do this. Ah! Get off me. Ah! Damn, just elbowed her. Dad! I am not the father. I ain't gonna lie. Luggage room. I forgot my suitcase.
Line 18, box number 3.
Line 18, box number 3. Okay. Thanks for telling me. What's up, Nee? 18 box.
Line 18, box number 3.
Okay. Line 18, box number 3. You know I'm a little slow, y'all. I ain't slow. It's just like, what is he talking about? 18. Oh, here you go. 18 right here. Box number 3. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give me. Me. I ain't slow. Dick in a box. Cool little surprise. This straight from the. This the same. Still can't see what size that is. Woman 11? Okay. I can't fit them. I can fit a woman 12, 12 and a half. You see I got small feet? I guess. 10 and a half? That shit small? I mean, is that small? I'll put my toes in you. Never mind. Oh. What's in the box? Let's go see. You waited till you got home to open the box? I'm opening it right there. Ooh. He's so nervous. Ooh, blick and stick in the dick. That makes you. Two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what the origami looking like. I'm not picking. I ain't touching that gun yet. I ain't trying to put my fingerprints on it. You better get some gloves. Are you prepared to show the courage to save person? Your son? Joe's garage and parking lot. V9 for Ooh, he dropped a low. Yeah. Watch out. Oh. Go ahead and plug that in. Play video. Oh, he had this. He is a serial killer.
Help! Dad!
Sean.
Where are you? I'm so cold. Dad! Dad!
You just gotta take it on your own. Yeah. I ain't calling no police. I'm just going whatever. I lost my first child and my second one. I have to risk my life. I ain't calling no police. Solo mission. Each figure is the trial. Each trial provides letters, and the letters reveal an address. Try to find them, big boy. I got it. Got me playing jigsaw puzzles. I bet he give me a gun that's actually gonna jam too. Dear guest, thank you for He walks so awkward, right? He's in a rush. He has to go save his son. I don't know, bro. But even just regular walking, he be doing that. You saw the way he was moving in slow motion. He got a lot on his mind. A new bonus? What you talking about? Hello? What they be looking at? I wish I could control their head like on some
The killer is white, aged between 30 and 45. He doesn't act
we
on
know that?
impulse, but plans his crimes in a very meticulous fashion. He doesn't
How
have
do we know he's
anything
white?
personal against the victims. That's why he covers their faces with mud, to make them anonymous.
Why does he kill them if he doesn't have anything against them?
For him, they're more of an image, a symbol. That's probably why he gives them an origami figure and an orchid as gifts to apologize for what he's done to them.
Very
There's
interesting.
a lot of.
And where does all that get us?
You tell me?
It builds up a profile of the killer and helps us understand the person we're looking for. It might have been useful if it was done earlier in this investigation.
Continue, Jaden.
I'm real sassy. Geoprofiling.
Then I studied the geographical distribution of the murders. Generally, a killer commits his first murder near to where he lives, so he has a safe place to flee to
pissed.
if any complications arise. The more confident he becomes, the further he roams from his base. By analyzing the locations where the victims disappeared, I was able to isolate a zone where the killer might live.
And where's that?
And what size is this, zone?
For the moment, about 10 square mile.
Oh, great. There must be 10,000 people live in that sort of area. You gonna
See
question
how
them
he's
one
hating?
by one?
The more clues we get, the more we can reduce the zone. We can then cross-check it with our list of suspects and identify the killer.
The killer.
One detail attracted my attention. The interval between the time when a victim disappears and the time when the body is found ranges from 3 to 5 days. But the rainfall is always at 6 inches, give or take 10%.
Okay.
What on earth does that mean?
All the victims were drowned in rainwater. The killer kills only in the fall when there is plenty of rain.
Wow.
It could be that he puts them in some sort of well or tank that is open to the skies and that fills up with rainwater. The more it rains, the less time the victim has to live.
Wow.
So what's next?
If you run.
There are 2 suspects whose psychological profile might fit and can be connected to the comfort zone. I'd like to question them.
God damn it. We're wasting
Dang,
our
so that
time
means
with this
that's-
bullshit.
He's putting
Killer's
kids
out
in that
there
little
somewhere.
well
We
for
gotta get off our
days
asses and find
until
him.
they slowly drown.
The killer is no ordinary murderer. He is intelligent, organized, and methodical. You won't find him by patrolling the streets.
Tell me, Agent Jaden, did you get your vast experience on the job, or did you just fucking read about it in some school book?
Listen. Hold on. Come here.
Your vast experience hasn't prevented 8 victims from being murdered.
Fucking asshole!
That's enough!
Fucking asshole!
You said it took
Like, you-
6
do you hear
inches of
how a
rainfall
nigga
before
sound,
the
bro?
victims died. How much time do we have
Chill
left?
on.
If the weather forecasts are right, less than 72 hours.
His ego is more important than these children's lives. By the way, you can see it on his face. Oh, he gonna backdoor me. Cause I wasn't calm to him. I didn't fart either. That was my elbow. I'm telling you. Telling you, right? I just ripped ass. Don't lie.
No answer. We wasted our time coming here.
We wasted our time coming here.
Maybe we should have a little look inside anyway.
There's nobody home.
There is now.
I'm not sure that's entirely legal.
This dude, he need to get dope.
Call the cops.
Let's get it. Oh my! Praise the Lord.
Looks like Nathaniel Williams is a pretty religious guy.
He's a God-fearing idiot.
I don't think Jesus like him doing what he doing, bro.
We questioned him a few months back because he was causing a disturbance in the park. He was ranting and raving.
Jesus ain't gonna associate with this type of dude.
Had this idea in his sick little head that I was the Antichrist. I had come to Earth to persecute him. Real twisted.
People like this make us that follow Jesus like for real, make us look bad, make us look crazy. Bad representation, bro. Put up all the crosses you want. If you ain't really walking with them, you know what I'm saying. That's not even what he looked like down there. He ain't no light skin, man. He was brown. He was off to be perched though. Bad. Multi-green. Ooh. Go ahead, get a handful. Oh, here we go. Who the what are you doing in my house?
Good timing, Nathaniel.
I thought he was gonna let
Just
him
the
get
man we're
me.
looking for.
Angels and ministers of grace defend us.
I'm Agent Norman Jaden, FBI. I'd like to ask you a few questions.
Is he the actual killer? If he's
As
not
God
the killer,
is my
then
witness, I haven't done
let him do his
anything.
thing.
I'm innocent.
Relax. Nobody's accusing you of anything. We just want to talk.
Occupation? What you be doing?
Where do you work, Nathaniel? Do you have a job?
My sole occupation is praying to the all-merciful Lord for the salvation of humanity.
Feel it. You can't just be
You were
labelless
arrested in a case
hands
where a child
bear no
disappeared
fruit.
from a park.
What you got going on?
What exactly happened?
You better be spreading the good
I'm
news
innocent.
then.
I have nothing to do with those murders. I was in the park because God spoke to me. I was arrested because I am the chosen one. That's all.
Oh yeah, you tripping. Yeah, he ain't got it.
Nathaniel,
You ain't nothing,
do you
brother.
remember where you were last Tuesday at 4:30 p.m.?
Here. I was here. I was praying. All day.
Was there anybody with you?
No. No, I was alone.
What about the voices, Nathaniel? Do you still hear the voices? We know who talks to you, don't we, Nathaniel? Or we both know who talks to you.
Who?
Don't speak that name.
Oh, he got two different person.
What does he say to
Blake,
you, Nathaniel?
what are you doing?
I can't talk about it.
You don't need
You
to
mustn't talk
harass
about
it.
it.
He orders you to
That's
go and find
enough.
new prey.
Leave him
doesn't he?
alone.
He needs more and more.
I'm in there, bro.
No! You mustn't mention him. You'll bring him here.
Ooh, W defense.
Carter, I told you to go and
shit!
find that
Are
kid
you
in the
out of
park.
your mind?
The voices tormented you all night long. You wanted them to stop, didn't you, Nathaniel?
Yeah, dirty cop.
Stop! Stop! That's enough!
So you obeyed them to make them stop. You took that boy with you and you
Dang.
drowned him. Isn't that right?
Yo.
No! Stop! Stop!
You killed them, didn't you, Nathaniel? Are you gonna confess, you bastard?
He did it.
You are
Blick
the
him.
Antichrist.
Put down the gun,
I shall
Nathaniel.
dispatch you to your father in hell.
Hey.
He is the son of Satan. He was sent to earth to destroy
James.
us.
Oh nah.
For Christ's sake, shoot!
Satan a little bit more evil than him, but let's do psychology.
You're not gonna kill the Antichrist with a revolver, Nathaniel. He's much too powerful for that.
Antichrist, my ass! Get that gun out of my face!
Listen.
Concentrate on my voice, Nathaniel. Listen only to my voice.
Demon, you shall regret confronting the emissary of the Lord.
Blick him.
You shall know divine power.
Blick him. Gun down.
Lieutenant Blake is gonna leave our planet right now and return to the
What?
realm of shadows. Creature of darkness, I do beseech you to return to the realm of shadows and leave our Nathaniel in peace.
Christ, how powerful. Defend us in our battle with the forces of evil. Protect us from the cunning and wiles of the devil. May God Almighty manifest the power of his empire, and may divine power cast Satan and all the other spirits that prowl the world in search of souls into the darkest depths of hell.
Squeeze it. Or
Enough, Nathaniel! Put the gun down! Immediately!
squeeze it. Back off.
Back away, slowly.
Sometimes you gotta talk to a nigga. And you gotta blast that nigga. Let me chill. He was taking too long, bro. I had to.
Looks like you did. Can't say I'll miss him. Come on, let's go.
Let's go. Don't worry, y'all. I got this handled. I had it. I had it. Yo, why'd I do that to him? He was just tripping, bro. Like, who knows? He might see the next person on the street that giving him the wrong look and think he the Antichrist and drag him in there, and then you feel me. But that's not my choice to make, though. But I made it, though. Damn. Be alright. I mean, he won't be, but I will. Let's go. Hello? Who in there? Oh, little baby by himself? Gotta be somebody home. Place about run down this. I mean, it's all good. Some people living situations ain't really the, you feel me? As long as you got a home, you know you blessed. You know, some people ain't got shelter at all. But is your house a home, you know? Or is there nothing but chaos in it? Is your love real or is that just lust? Y'all just comfort each other. Answer me, nigga. Miss Bowles? It's the
Mrs. Bowles.
FBI. What's her name?
Anybody home?
Man, take this baby.
Hello, little cutie. Oh, you looking for your mama?
She probably on the couch drugged the fuck up. I ain't start cursing.
Oh, Jesus.
Left the baby.
Wait a minute.
Oh. What? Dad eats. I know her stomach was tore up. Just go to the bathroom, it's nothing but liquid. Liquid and cookies. Anybody home? Well, not no more.
Mrs. Bowles.
Oh, she in there.
Mrs. Bowles, are you there?
Break it down. Ah! That's the... Didn't you just get the shoulder shot up? Ah! She in the bathroom.
Oh,
yup. I knew it. Bathtub. I knew it. Alright. You good, dog. Wake up.
Mrs. Bowles! Mrs. Bowles, can you hear me? Wake up! Wake up!
Why do... I mean... I've always... Oh. Matter of fact, go lay back down. What do you have after that?
I'm gonna call an ambulance.
No, I
It's
don't want to
GG's.
go to the hospital. Please.
Okay.
There's more I had to
You
say
got
about that,
something
but I
around
ain't
here
gonna
you
get
can
too
dress
into
this
it,
wound
you know?
Yeah, I think so.
I just pray
Okay.
nobody have to actually
Don't
really go
move.
through this shit. Like,
I'll be right back.
I ain't gonna lie, I thought about it before. But I prayed and I stayed down, you know. Suffering will pass. Every time. Remember that. It's written. Even when you don't think it is. Or it will. What she tell me to do? Bandages. Oh,
Need some bandages and disinfectant.
let's do that.
Gotta be here somewhere.
Oh my. This nigga have a little dance party. Look at the cabinet.
Let's see. I need this,
Need that.
and this, and this.
So he was hitting his little two-step in my face like that. I almost joined with him. But this is serious. She need to get bandaged up. All right.
I'm here for you, Susan. You'll be all right. I'll take care of you. I need more. Still bleeding.
Stay.
Stay with me, Susan. Susan, do you hear me? Susan, stay with me. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Not perfect, but it'll do.
What they got me up? I was about to say, I'm about to massage your wrist. Don't be doctor. Nigga feel like mercy.
There, I done what I can. That should stop the bleeding. Well, luckily the wounds aren't too deep. Hey, how are you feeling? You okay?
My baby. My baby needs me.
He sure do.
Right.
That's why you need to take care of yourself.
You stay there. I'll take care of the baby. Okay?
Do you know what to do? With a baby, I mean.
No, but
I'm a private eye.
Seem like you don't either.
There's nothing I can't do.
That's pretty true.
Her name is Emily.
I don't give a fuck, nigga.
Gotcha.
Hey, little Emily. You see this little blood I have in my hands? It's your mother's. No, don't touch it with your hands. Wash them first. Oh, gee. I thought about it. Oh, that's the front door. Oh. Hold on, Emily. I got you. Got a little baby bottle right there, too. Hold on. Yo, chill.
Hi there, Emily. So,
Gucci
what
goo.
seems to be the problem, huh?
Little nigga.
Oh,
Ooh, stinky.
going by the smell, I got a pretty good idea.
So you boo-boo the food. Why you trolling me? She be giggling and smiling the next, and then she crying. She trolling me. Go ahead, wrap it up. There you go. Swoop this. Oh, yes. Ah.
There you go.
There you
Fresh
go.
new baby. That should feel better. Right, Emily?
You ain't wiped the butt though. You just changed the.
Hey, what's the matter?
She hungry.
I thought we solved the problem.
What else you need? Intuition?
Of course. Now I know why you're flying, my little peachy poo.
What do you call it? Peachy poo?
This thing up.
Why do they like it warm? They just can't. They can't handle cold stuff. We warm blooded. All right, little dude. I'm about to give you some milky milk. All right, little niggas. Shut up.
Oh,
Emily.
Emily, are you hungry?
Look, Emily, you got a little widow's peak.
You hold on.
You gonna have a hairline like your
I'll
father.
just tilt this bottle a little bit so you don't choke.
Oh. Go ahead, sip on that. Oh, delicious. All right, now don't hog the milk. Let me get a swig. I'm just saying. Hold on, my bad. Go ahead. Go ahead, drink that. Ooh wee, so delicious. You gonna down the whole bottle? That's a full bottle. I swear, if you soil your drawers right after I changed it. Ah. I knew it.
Oh, good job, Emily. Hmm? You're feeling good now.
Oh, I thought she
right?
tooted.
Now, I'm gonna rock you
Little Emily
very
baby.
gently so you can have a nice little snooze. Okay.
Your head built like your mama. Oh. Now speed it up. Oh. Go ahead, get down there. Little knee. Yeah. I'm the one that stepped up. This is my wife now. But she's suicidal. We gotta get her some help. Is that how that shit work? You take care of somebody, baby? Yeah, look at me.
Thanks for looking after my baby.
You know, some real nigga shit. Stuff.
I didn't want to leave her.
I know. Watch me change positions on her.
I just couldn't cope anymore.
I'm sorry to hear that. Now let me get back on my cool stuff. Let me post that one more time.
He was such a good boy. can't understand why anyone would want to hurt him.
Yeah, me neither. But let me sit down real quick. I'm a little tired from taking care of your
Can
baby.
you take care of this baby on your own? Doesn't Jeremy's father live with you anymore?
He disappeared. The day after Jeremy.
Let me get up on you real quick.
I don't know what happened to him.
You stink a little bit. You've been in that water for a little bit.
Maybe.
I ain't gonna lie. You pee in there?
Maybe he
It
couldn't
happens.
take it.
And I know your skin
Ever
dry.
since I've had to look after
No
Emily
lotion
all
or
on my
nothing.
own and
Crazy.
couldn't do it anymore.
So you just,
I understand.
you just gonna let Emily die though?
Did your husband
At least
say
drop her off
anything
in
before
somebody's
he
footstep,
disappeared?
doorstep.
Did he leave a note or something?
No. He left the house without a word and there was just a cell phone.
I'm too cool for school, Rock.
A cell phone?
A cell phone? Nah, can't be.
Yeah, I found a cell phone in his dresser. I'm sure it wasn't his. I'd never seen it
Let me see
before.
that. Oh, new position.
I
Yeah.
tried to turn it on, but it didn't work.
Do you still have it?
Nah, she ain't
Yeah,
got it.
it's in a drawer in the living room.
All right.
You can have it if you'd like.
You know I'm going for
I'm
that.
sure it's of more use to you than to me.
Yeah, stop all that talking. See you.
Do you have any family or anybody to help you?
Yeah. My mother.
Well, dude.
I didn't want to ask her for anything.
So you left the baby and you decided to
We
die.
don't really get along,
That's okay.
but I guess I'm out of options.
Well, look after yourself. And Emily.
I will. I promise.
No, you don't. You ain't give no words of encouragement or nothing. I mean, I'm sure. I don't know. I just said, well, look after Emily. Hope you get better. You just walk off on her. I mean, she's not my problem, I guess, but like, all right, little Emily. Oh, we have fun, nigga. Call her boyfriend and say you want to run to 30. Put that stomach on his head.
Good luck, Emily. You take care of your mama.
You take care of that mother. Honestly, Emily, you're the only thing that's keeping her alive. Well, for the most part. I hope she get better. Damn. Suicide, bruh. That can never be the last one. Never, bro. Never. This place is so depressing. It's so run down. Where we at? Seattle? Ooh! Big stretch. I just stretched my legs out on y'all. Ooh! Want some stretch Armstrong. Oh, my fault. Who back there cranking that Soldier Boy? Oh, that's him. Hello? Excuse me.
Excuse me?
I'm looking for...
Hey.
I'm a type of nigga that just grab his feet
Sorry.
and drag him
Good
out
to see
there.
you. What can I do you for?
You look a little German.
I'd like to get my car.
All right.
Hey,
That must be
you're a
some
pretty
freaky.
patient guy, you are. That car's been there for 2 years. We took it out for a drive every month and checked the tires and batteries, just like you said. Here,
Give me them keys.
It's the 3rd floor down. The service elevator is at the... Ah, you have yourself a good one, Chief.
3rd floor down. This is parking garage. I'm going down. Say, I'm going down. Baby. Oh my God. My whole world's upside down. The whole screen shaking. Jeez. Oh yeah. Why he act like he knew me though? Oh yeah. Ooh, look at that whip over there. So that green shit. That green one? I mean. So I still have my hand up. Sorry, I was tweaking out. What's that? Dirty stick? What's in there? So this not even my car. This is the car that was in the box. The keys. More straps? GPS.
Your destination is 4 miles from here.
Oh wow.
Leave the parking lot and take the first right.
Yeah. Damn. Sound like I got a V8 in this mo. Hit that gas. We out of there.
Take a left at the next intersection.
What the? He driving
Keep
crazy.
to the right and take the first exit.
He don't care about none. He doing rolling stops, no stopping in the stop. Yeah. No stop signs, no none. I'm the type of guy to play bumper cars on the road. See which one you know what I'm saying? See which one lasts longer. So no, I don't be doing that. I'll be lying. I don't lie all the time, but I'll be lying right now. I don't like lying. Makes me feel bad.
You have reached your destination. Are you ready?
I be feeling like
to show your
I'm about to
courage
get
in
cramp in
order
my
to
calf
save
every
your
time I
son?
lie too. Like, you know how
Listen
Pinocchio nose
carefully.
grow, you know?
Take the highway.
I feel like my shit just
and
start
drive
squeezing
against
up.
the traffic
Only
for
my
5
left
miles.
calf too.
If you haven't reached your destination in 5 minutes, you will have failed.
I'm lying right now. Oh, it's starting to cramp. Hold on, shut up. Die. Let's do it.
I don't want to die. Not here. Not like this.
Okay.
I can't stop my hands shaking. I'm not going to make it. I'm not going to make it.
I'm panicking. Sean.
I can do it. I'd do anything to save my son.
Go.
If I succeed, I'll get more letters for the hangar. It's my only need. No turning back now.
Let's go. 500 feet. Man, it's right up the road. We ain't scared of this. You know what I'm saying? Risk it.
A lot of good it'll do Sean if I kill myself on this highway.
Except
I've got to do it. For Sean's sake. I have no choice.
Let's go. Oh yeah, turn me up. Oh yeah.
Come on.
What's up? Yeah. Stupid ass nigga. You thought we was we thought we was gonna play? No. This is where we stop. Another, what's that shit called? Cliffhanger. Yeah. My favorite song. Let me get out of here. Stupid. What we on? We on Call of Duty, that's what we on. You talking about?